Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp two-step verification code problem on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having an issue to receive two-step verification code on your WhatsApp, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, or you can try to switch between your iPhone or your Wi-Fi and cellular. Then go for settings and go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with the VPN. Then you have to go back and you just have to go for the App Store, go for search for WhatsApp, and you have to make sure that you are on the latest version on the WhatsApp. Or if you find any pending update here, try to update your WhatsApp app, and after that your issue will be fixed. You just have to retry to get the verification code, and after that if you can't get the code, you have to double check your messages app and that if you have received the code or not. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open your browser, search for WhatsApp support.whatsapp, or you can search for contact WhatsApp, something like that, and you will get the first website, the contact WhatsApp app. You just have to tap on it, then tap on contact us here, and then you just have to enter your phone number, your email address, re-enter your email address, select your device, and here you have to simply describe your issue. You have to describe your issue in some words that you're having the issue to get or in two-step verification code on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.